So the very last thing we're going to do in this loop lesson is to see how we can create a little menu program where you can make a selection and it does different things, okay? This is where you get to play with a virtual pet dog. Okay, here's your program. All right, we're just going to run it. All right, so you see a little bit of a menu. It's got some ASCII art once again. Okay, you got 3 choices. You got feed the dog, pet the dog, quit. There's also a super secret option to get the dog to talk. No, it won't actually talk, but there's a talking option, okay? So you can see there's a menu, 3 choices. It's pausing, it's asking you for a choice, which will be the input function, okay? So if I enter in 1, it should go munch, munch, munch. Did you see that? Let's do that again. Do you see it going munch, munch, munch? There we go. There's a dog eating. It's a virtual dog, okay? And then if I go 2, pet the dog, it will wag its tail. I really enjoyed the pet there. And then 3 to quit, okay? All right, thanks for playing with me. But what do you think would happen, or what do you think should happen if I enter in 4? What should it do? Like if you were designing this program and someone typed in 4 or 5 or 10 or A, what would be a nice thing to happen? Yes, Bhavna?
Displaying an error message?
Yeah, would it be okay to just quit? Would it just be okay if it just ended? Would that be nice?
No.
No? All right, so let's say we type in, I don't know, 4, okay? So if you type in 4, it should say invalid option, try again, and then notice it goes back and we've got another menu, okay? So there's go-to loops in there, there's multiple if statements in there. Can anyone find the option to make it talk, make it bark? Yeah, Ashi?
Number 5.
Number 5, so good. Always good with these options, Ashi, with the loops. There we go, woof, 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 woof. Okay, so you, you can see, all right, it may not be a pet that you want to take home, but it is a program that is demonstrating everything that we've learned so far, okay? We've learned variables, we've learned loops, we've learned input, we've learned how to print, we've learned using loops to go back, we've learned using loops to quit, and also to sleep and pause in between as well, okay? So that's what we're going to go through next in our coding videos.